Hey, this is Berwin, lead tutor from Berleaf Education. Today we are tackling a fraction word problem that can be solved using the modeling method. Now, if you're interested in becoming a modeling technique expert, make sure to check out the link in the description and sign up for our modeling masterclass. Let's take a look at the question for today. At a bakery, 70 more beef pies than chicken pies were baked for the day. After 450 beef pies and 121 chicken pies were sold, there were 5/12 as many beef pies as chicken pies left. How many pies were baked altogether? Alright, let's highlight the important information found in this question. We shall start our model from the period after the pies were sold, as that's the only period that has equal units. Now, in this fraction, the numerator represents the number of units for beef pies, while the denominator stands for the units of chicken pies. So the shorter bar in our model here represents beef pies, while the longer one represents chicken pies. Now, there are 5 units for beef pies, and observing that this part is of the same size as the 5 units over here, we can map it across to the model for chicken pie in this manner. And since chicken pie have 12 units in total, the remaining portion here would hence be 7 units. Next, we shall work out the model for the period before the pies were sold. Now we have to extend these models to account for the pies that were sold. Then definitely the question is, how far should they be extended? To quickly determine which of this model to extend first, focus on the period before any pies were sold and extend the one with the lesser total. In this case, the chicken pie was 70 less than the beef pies during that period. Hence, we shall start with extending the chicken pies model. Now, this can be done by drawing in this small extended portion, which represents 121 of the chicken pies sold. And now to determine the length of the beef pies model, we can first extend it to the same length as the chicken pies model over here. Since models of equal length represents equal amounts, we know that there were 70 beef pies more than chicken pies. So to account for this difference, we can further extend the beef pies model slightly from this point onwards. And let's fill in the details. Now, this portion is 70 and this whole portion is 450. Now, similar to what we have done earlier, it's helpful to map out these equal size portions, which will help enhance our understanding and facilitate problem solving. Now let me put it up for you to have a clearer picture. We can map across here. This is 7 units and here is 121 and this is 70. Also, don't forget to insert a question mark in the model to represent our goal of finding the initial total number of pies baked. Now to solve the question, as we can see here, this includes 7 units and it is 450. Hence, we can work out the value of 7 units by subtracting 121 and 70 from 450, which gives us 259. 1 unit would therefore be 259 divided by 7, giving us 37. And from here, one of the approaches is to find the total pies remaining after sales, then add the sold pies back. So I will want to find the total units of pies left, which is 5 plus 12 units, giving us 17 units in total. So again, to find the total pies baked, we have to, let me write it out, have the sum of the total pies remaining, which is what we call total after here, and adding back the pies that were sold here. Okay, so let me write it down. 17 units plus 37 times 37 would give us what it is remaining, and 450 plus 121 gives us what was sold giving us in total 1200 pies. And there we go. This is how we solve this question. If you have found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more of this useful content. Meanwhile, keep on practicing and I'll see you soon to solve the next question. Take care.